what is that you are going to do?
I'm frying some papads now for lunch.
But have you noticed why the color has changed of the oil?
Color, because I had fried some pakoras prior to this and kept this oil separately. I thought I can use this only again for frying and refrying again and again.
Madam, you don't know, it is a highly cancerous. It is known as a polymerized oil. And polymerized oil is an invitation for the cancer. You see the difference in the consistency of the oil. A good oil,
Yes.
and in case if you pick it up, you'll see the difference. So it is watery, good. And whereas this one, it's so thick. Look at the color difference. But such oil should never be used. This type of oil, as I said, it is known as a polymerized oil, and it will be having a very high free fatty acid level. And free fatty acid level always bad for the liver. Digestion will get impaired and you will not be able to have anything. As I said, it can be extremely carcinogenic. Death is, you are inviting the death. And if the death comes, it's no problem, but the amount of suffering is beyond imagination. So such oil should not be used, and the oil becomes thick, viscous, color changes on the long contact and the high temperatures.
Oh, I see.
So leftover oil should not be used for frying again. You can use it for cooking,
Oh,
because there will be a lot of difference between the cooking oil and frying temperature. Frying temperature will not be less than 176 degrees Celsius, whereas in cooking the maximum temperature will be hardly 120 degrees Celsius. So
I was thinking that we should not use it for cooking and we can use it for frying again.
No, that's a wrong, I don't know who has misguided you, but such oil should never be used. Please discard such oils because they are extremely dangerous, not only for the lady of the house but for all the members who are going to use this oil. So here afterwards, make it a point
Sure.
not to use polymerized, colored, thick, viscous oil which are bad for health. Oil is rich in fat content, calories. 1 gram of oil gives 9 calories. That's why it is called as a rich food. And our daily intake for the calories should not be more than 30% should come only through the oils. But in case if you can reduce that, still it is better. And always prefer PUFA, that is polyunsaturated fatty acids. Plant-based oils are good, not animal-based oil. So excess oil leads to various complications, health hazards.